Hi guys, here's an in-depth video of me making some bundu. I haven't actually done an in-depth video like this before, so here it is. So you guys can see here that I unpacked my bundu and then I added some kettle water onto it just to boil the leaves before draining them. So I have my bowl and my sieve here, and I just started draining out the bundu leaves, and then I began washing them with some lukewarm water. Sorry about my voice guys, I'm not really feeling too good, but anyway, I added the washed bundu leaves back into my pot, and then I added half a litre of hot kettle water and I let that boil. While I let that boil, I added my vegetables. So I started off with a handful of onions and a handful of spring onions. I also added some leeks as well, and I added some courgettes because the last time I added cucumber, you guys crucified me. Anyway, I added some diced green peppers, and I also added some aubergines as well, and full garlic cloves, and I let it boil for a little bit. So I have my pilchards here, which I emptied into a bowl, and then I basically just removed all the tomato sauce off the pilchards and added it into the mix. I also added some healthy palm oil for health reasons, obviously, and I added quite a bit. I almost forgot my seasonings as well, so I added about 3 Maggi cubes in there. I also added a little bit of water as I went along so that the bundu doesn't burn. But anyway, I left it to boil for about an hour. Well, it's been over an hour because I was cooking other things, but here's me checking back on the bundu, and we can now see here that it is ready. So this is how I made my bundu, and yeah, that is it. So this is my presentation, and sorry if it looks a little bit burnt off. I heated it in the microwave because it was getting cold, but that is my bundu recipe, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye guys.